Hello everyone, Aaron Pullman here, also known as Sonic Fan 01, and you're watching the very first episode of Your Tech. For today's episode, I'm going to show you how to Miracast your Android phone and tablet to a TV demonstration. I will be using a Insignia Roku TV and a Hisense TV and a regular HD TV with no Wi-Fi using a Microsoft wireless adapter, an AARP RealPad, a Voyager Pro, and an LG G2 3GB. Let's begin with the AARP RealPad to an HD TV using the Microsoft wireless display. Bring down your toolbar. Now click into your settings. Now go into display. Tap on cast screen. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. Now, tick the box. Now, tap on Microsoft Wireless Display. And there you go. The RealPad is now casted to the TV. And let's see. Go out. Okay. We can go into here to KineMaster, which is what I use to edit my videos. Now, I will show you how to cast a Voyager Pro to a Hisense TV. Bring down the toolbar and click on the settings. Now, tap on display. Tap on cast. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. Tick the box. Now, tap on whatever you named your TV. Since this is my mother's TV, I would click on Debbie TV. There we go. Alright, let's put on a game. See? Now, I will show you how to cast an LG G2 on an Insignia Roku TV. Bring down the toolbar and click on the settings. Now, click on Share and Connect. Scroll down to the bottom until you see Miracast and a toggle. Now tap on the toggle. It will turn blue. Now tap on Miracast. Now, tap on whatever you called your Roku TV. There we go, let's try this.
Hi there, Debbie.
What is the weather like?
Like a planet around a star.
Let me know if you found this video very helpful. Like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. Thank you.